Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add contacts on WhatsApp web. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. Then, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Use your phone to scan the QR code via WhatsApp. On your phone, open WhatsApp, tap the three dots menu, link devices, then tap link a device and scan the QR code. Now you're logged into your WhatsApp web. And after that, click the new chat icon on the top left side of the screen. From the drop-down menu, click New Contact. And after that, enter the contact's name, enter the phone number. Then click Save. A confirmation message will appear once the contact is added successfully. You may need to refresh the page to see the new contact in your chat list. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.